difference.
Hey, Maximus Arana, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to look good in every single picture, be it group photos, professional photos, photos with your friends, or even ugly passport photos. I've got you covered. Number one is your equipment. If you capture pictures on a low-end mobile phone instead of a professional camera or a high-end mobile phone, grainy and unesthetic pictures are inevitable, no matter how good you look. Practice in front of the mirror. Practice makes perfect. Find your best angles, best poses, best everything in front of the mirror. It takes only 15 minutes a day or just a while. Just find your sweet spots, your best side of your face, and trust me, your posing and picture game will be a notch above. If your posing game and photos aren't coming as smooth and as good as expected, it's not your photographer's fault, it is your fault. So here's what to do. Take a video. Now what? Ask your photographer to take a video of you. What you have to do is just do your normal poses and stuff. And after the video ends, watch that video. And then see where you're committing mistakes, and then you can just rectify them and you'll get much better. Remember, like if your photos come out bad, you have a bad posing day, it doesn't matter. Like mistakes are what makes you better, and if you don't commit mistakes at all, then when are you gonna learn? So enjoy the process, have fun, and don't get all sad if the photos aren't coming as good as expected. Take a video, find your errors, rectify them, and you're good to go. Frequency. The more often you get yourself in front of the lens, the better you get. So go to photo shoots every single week and have a mini photo shoot session at your home, just 15 to 10 minutes a day, and trust me, it will help a lot. And go for good makeup photo shoots every single week. And by practicing again and again, trust me, in a month and a half, by doing this, you will become a pro. You know, it just takes practice, frequency, and finding your errors and rectifying them, and trust me, you'll become a pro. So here's a bonus tip which will help all of you, be it newbie or pros, who are models or beginners or anything. This is a bonus tip which will help you all, and it has helped me too. I used to face this issue and I found a way out of it, and I'll tell you that solution. So, has this ever happened to you? You post something and then when you check at the camera, something else is there. Is it your photographer's fault? No, it's your fault. See, when you pose in front of the camera, sometimes, like if you're posing like your jawline is extended and you're giving that, intense look, but in the picture, it's looking as if you're feeling sleepy. Well, while you get in front of the lens, you must have looked here and there, got distracted a bit, and that must have changed your facial expression, your pose, and everything, and that ruins almost everything. So how do you fix that? Grab your phone, look into the front camera, and do the desired pose you want to do. Example, you're holding a cute smile, so hold the cute smile, and put your phone away, and maintain that cute smile, and get in front of your photographer until he clicks a picture. And the pose which you did in front of your front camera, it shouldn't change. Hold that. Your face should be frozen to that specific facial gesture. And until your photographer clicks a picture, that's when you will relax your face. So, yeah. So this will fix your issue. It has happened to me a lot of times. When I, started getting pictures clicked of myself, as to wonder, I actually pose like that, but why in the camera it's coming with that? So I tried doing the front camera trick, and just before my sister clicked a picture of me, put the camera inside my pocket, maintained that same pose, and the photo came perfect. Most of my Instagram pictures, which you have seen in my feed, have been perfected that way. So yeah, the front camera, put it back, hold the same pose till your photographer clicks. And this bonus tip will help you all. If you guys face that issue, give this trip a try and let me know down in the comment section if it worked out good. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on. The topic of discussion for today's video is tell me about your Instagram feed. As for me, my Instagram feed in 2019 was desaturation, and in 2020 it is vibrance. Remember always to have a consistent theme in your Instagram feed so that your feed looks more aesthetic and pleasing, and it will drive you more traffic, more engagement, and more followers. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace!
So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a life